Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 not charging? Firstly, I recommend to check if you have a foil at the charging contact, so at your earbuds charging contacts located at the bottom, and check if you have a foil, or maybe you have the foil inside the case. So right here we have charging contacts also, and check it. Now if you know that you haven't the foil, next step is to clean charging contacts. So at this channel we have video how to clean them. If you don't know how, you can check it, but shortly you need to apply, if you have, isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts, and then clean it with a brush, or you can use a toothbrush if you haven't. Also recommended to clean inside the case. Next, if the cleaning didn't help you, the last one, I recommended to check your charging cable, your adapter. Maybe you need to use another one, the cable and adapter, and check maybe the problem in your cable. And also at the bottom we have USB-C port, so check is everything okay with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!